आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay students, let's start solving this question. In this question it is given that let a plus b is equal to 4 whereas it is less than 2, and let gx be a differentiable function if dg by dx is greater than 0 for all x. We have to prove that this function is an increasing function and b minus a is also an increasing function. So guys, let's start solving this thing. So in this question it is given that our a plus b is equal to 4. So it further implies that we can write b is equal to 4 minus of a, right? And in this question what we are going to do is we are going to solve this thing, right? So now here what we have is let f dash of a is equal to integration of 0 to a g of x, right? Okay, we have to add dx plus 0 to b g of x dx, right guys? So when we further simplify this thing, it is equal to integration of 0 to a g of x dx plus, instead of b we are writing 4 minus a, so here it is going to be 0 to 4 minus of a g of x dx, right guys? So now here what we can say that therefore d f of a divided by dA, so it is divided by dA, yeah, this is dA, is equal to g of a minus g of 4 minus a, right guys? So now similarly in this condition what we can say that now our d of f of a divided by d of b minus a is equal to d of f of a divided by d of 4 minus, yeah, it became 2a, right? So it is 2a, which further equal to d of f of a divided by minus of d 2a, right? So now further it equal to g of 4 minus a minus of g of a, and we have in dividing by 2. So guys, it is given that a is less than 2, right? Or we can say that 2a is less than 4 because we have to add in terms of 2a, right? Or we can say that our 4 minus a is greater than a, right? So we are making in terms of a, everything we are making in terms of a. So g of 4 minus of a is obviously greater than g of a, right? Because what we can see that, okay, yeah, because d of g of x divided by d of x is greater than 0. So it is sure that g of x is going to be an increasing function, right? Yeah. So thus what we can say that, yeah, what we can say that d of f of a divided by d of b minus a is obviously greater than 0. Therefore, okay, right, therefore f of a is equal to integration of 0 to a g of x d of x plus 0 to a, yeah, g of x dx. This is, guys, it is a, right? It's obviously going to be an increasing function as b minus a is increasing, right? So this thing asked in the question that this b minus a is increasing, and we already find that this function is also increasing function. So we are satisfied all this condition in asked in the question. Thank you very much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।